Hi, this is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of VM Coach, coming to you with another question for EP Monthly. Right now, as we're filming this, 'tis the season for drunk car accidents. It's Christmas time, and we certainly see plenty of MVCs, and that's what this question starts off with. In this particular case, there are two learning points that I want to bring to your attention. One, keep an eye out for that deep sulcus sign. We so often do those trauma x-rays, right? Because they're laying supine. We haven't necessarily cleared their T or L spine yet, and we do them supine, and you have such a lower probability of catching the pneumo with the laying supine like that. So keep an eye out for that deep sulcus sign. Of course, the right hemidiaphragm generally should be higher than the left hemidiaphragm, but in this example, if you look carefully, you'll see that really that left hemidiaphragm deeps down quite far from, deviates quite far from where it should be. The other thing I want to point out, if you look carefully at that x-ray, you can start to see some little blemishes, little opacities in that kind of lower region where the deep sulcus sign is, which could be suggestive of blood and pneumothorax. That's the major other point that I want to hit, is that a pneumothorax and a trauma is a hemopneumothorax until proven otherwise. So go for a larger bore chest tube. Now, is it technically wrong to put in a pigtail? Not wrong, because you're still addressing the pneumothorax, but it's not the best answer. Putting in a larger bore chest tube is a way to go. Now, ATLS is starting to acknowledge that you may not need a 36 French in every single one of these. Folks are putting in smaller and smaller chest tubes, but still, a pigtail is pretty darn small. So go with something bigger that's not going to get occluded, because if you occlude that space when there's blood in there, you have a higher risk of empyema. So in trauma, a pneumothorax is considered a hemopneumothorax until proven otherwise, and keep a close eye out for that deep sulcus sign. Don't miss the pneumo. This is Andrew Phillips from VM Coach, wishing you a safe holiday season.